Ever been in a meeting and as people start introducing themselves, you start wondering, A, what does that title mean? B, what does this person actually do? Or C, how you're possibly going to stay awake? Well, a meeting introduction is an opportunity to showcase what it is that you bring to the table. As you prepare your introduction for your next big pitch or presentation, think about it from the perspective of why the person you're meeting with should care. Because the reality is, nobody cares about a fancy title. That's why in this week's Fearless in 5, we're covering 5 things to focus on to make a memorable introduction. Number 1, how will you help make their lives easier or more successful? Number 2, what expertise or experience do you bring to the table that differentiates you? Number 3, what role would you play as their partner? Number 4, how can you inject a little bit of your personality? How will you even bring some joy into their lives, or at least into the room for the next hour? And finally, what will make them think, wow, we need this person on our team? Answer those questions and then write out what your introduction will be. And for more tips on how to be fearless at work and in life, check out Wet Cement at wet-cement.com. And then please introduce yourself. Tell us what you do in the comments below.